Good morning students, welcome to computer class. In the previous class we had discussed how to insert columns, how to insert rows, how we will delete them after inserting, and as well as we had seen that how we can change the height of the row and width of the column. By default, if you see, the column width is 8.43 and the row height is 15 in points and the column is in characters. How will you enter the data? How will you select the data? These are all things we had seen in the previous class. Now today we will going to see some more features of Excel, like coloring the sheets, renaming the sheets, how you can change from one sheet or move from one sheet to another sheet. Okay, these are all things we are going to see in today's video. So let's coming to the book. You can see it. Switching between a worksheet. Okay, in the previous class we had seen this, inserting the cells. I had shown you with the practical also, deleting a column, inserting a column, inserting a row. Okay, so let's see switching between a worksheet. So you can see worksheets are quite large. On a single worksheet you can have as many as 16384 columns and 1048,576 rows. Okay, this one. So the result in the grand total will be, most important after multiplying both, is this number of cells. As you might guess, scrolling to the end of the large worksheet, use only tab and arrow keys and can get quite time consuming. Okay, this you can get it. So there are many ways to move around on your worksheet. You can switch to another worksheet in a workbook by clicking worksheet tabs at the bottom of the workbook window. By default, every Excel workbook starts out with 3 worksheets. So by default, if you see, there are 3 worksheets only. 1, 2, 3. The sample workbook shown in the displayed page are actually 3 available worksheets, and this area displays a tab for each worksheet in your workbook. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट 3 वर्कशीट यहाँ पे पहले से ही दी हुई है और आप इन्हीं टैब पर क्लिक करके एक वर्कशीट से दूसरे वर्कशीट में मूव कर सकते हैं. द वर्कशीट यू सेलेक्टेड अपीयर्स, द कंटेंट्स ऑफ अदर वर्कशीट इन योर वर्कबुक आर हिडन बिहाइंड द डिस्प्लेड वर्कशीट. So this arrow signs, this display the next tab, this display the first tab, and this display the previous, and this is the last tab. Okay, like here it is given. You can see. How will you rename a sheet? So very easy. Just click on the tab and right click or double click on the tab bar, and you can write the name as you want, or right click and select rename. Okay, this I will show in the practical. Now to distinguish one sheet from another, एक शीट को दूसरे शीट से अलग दिखाने के लिए हम उसमें कलर भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. द कलर यू ऐड टू टैब appears in the background behind the worksheet tab name. By default, all worksheet tabs are white, but you can assign another color to any worksheet tab. राइट क्लिक करेंगे वर्कशीट पे, जिसको फॉर्मेट करना है, टैब कलर पे, एंड कलर पे क्लिक कर देंगे. दैट विल चेंज. हाउ विल यू ऐड वर्कशीट? सो देयर इज अ बॉक्स गिवन, insert worksheet, or the shortcut key is shift plus F11. Shift plus F11 is the shortcut key to change the sheet. Okay, so you can press shift plus F11 to insert a new worksheet. By default there are only 3 worksheets. You can add many worksheets according to your need, and you can also add a new sheet by clicking home tab and click insert button and then select insert sheet. So same way you can delete also. Right click and then delete. Moving or copying a worksheet. If you want to move your worksheet within a workbook to rearrange the sheet order or copy the worksheet, then we will click on move and copy by right clicking. Then select the sheet name and click on OK. The worksheet will be moved, copied before the selected sheet. You can also move or copy your worksheet to end. लास्ट में भी आप भेज सकते हैं. Copying worksheet, click on the check boxes, create a copy. अगर आपको कॉपी क्रिएट करनी है तो आप क्लिक करोगे क्रिएट अ कॉपी, and Excel will copy the new worksheet to the new place. ऑलवेज चेक द शीट्स कंटेंट्स बिफोर डिलीटिंग, बिना मतलब डिलीट करने से पहले शीट के कंटेंट्स को आपको चेक कर लेना चाहिए ताकि कोई इंपॉर्टेंट डेटा आपका डिलीट ना हो जाए, क्योंकि आफ्टर यू डिलीट अ वर्कशीट इट इज़ परमानेंटली रिमूव फ्रॉम द फाइल एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज योर माउस टू मूव अ वर्कशीट. So now this chapter is completed and I am going to show you the things which I had told you, like sheet 1, click on this tab, sheet 2, click on this tab 3. Now here see, inserting worksheet. If you click on this, it will insert a worksheet, or shift plus F11. Shift plus F11. Shift plus F11. Okay, actually this is a laptop, so I have to just click on function button. Okay, so it has shown F11, simple F11 for chart. Okay, function button, then shift plus F11. See, it has added shift 5. Okay, you can see F5, then again sheet 6, you can see. Okay, so now rename. So for renaming, double click, so write sales, or right click, rename sales 2. For coloring, click on this tab color, whatever color you want, you can just choose it. Tab color. Okay, by this you can change. If you want to delete, right click, delete, right click, delete. Okay, now you want to move this sheet, so right click, move or copy. So sales to move to end or to sheet 2 या सेल्स 2, आप सेल्स 2 में भेजना चाहते हो तो आप ओके कर दीजिए. वेट, okay, here you will do move or copy and create a copy. Create a copy to sales 2. Click. See, sales 2 copy is created. Here, see. Now if you want to move this at end, move to end. Okay, see, this has moved to an end. Starting it was sales, but now it is in last. But if you want to create a copy to the last, move or copy, move to end, create a copy. So sales 3. By this you can move or just copy your data to another sheet. Now delete. So delete, right click, delete, delete. Okay, sales 2, delete. So by this way you can delete your data, and by right clicking also you can insert also. Worksheet, वर्कशीट आ गया, ये 10 कर दिया. ठीक है, you can double click also and write here 2 or 3 or 1. Here if you write 1, this becomes sales 1, sheet 2, sheet 2. So you can just change it. Okay, so now as we have completed the chapter, here self evaluation. Okay, according after the reading the chapter, I know these points. So I know Excel is a spreadsheet program defined by rows and columns. I know that MS Excel file is called a workbook. I know that a workbook has different worksheets organized in rows and columns. Is it true? I know that intersection of rows and columns is called cell, and I know that rows and columns are collectively called a worksheet. And I know by default workbook contains 3 worksheets, but we can add more worksheets in the workbook. I know that an active cell has dark border. Active cell. Now, next, I know that active cell reference displays the name box, and I know the editing is done correct. A mistake or update of the data worksheet. Now, coming to the MCQs. Okay. So, first question is, a spreadsheet program that organizes data in a row and columns is called. So, एक स्प्रेडशीट प्रोग्राम जिसमें जो डेटा हमारा ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है रोज कॉलम्स में हम क्या कहते हैं, एक्सेल कहते हैं. वर्ड और पावर पॉइंट नहीं होता है. ओके. द कलेक्शन ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम्स इज कॉल्ड. कलेक्शन ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम्स को क्या कहा जाता है? वर्कशीट कहते हैं, वर्कबुक नहीं. ओके. वर्कबुक तो हमारी कलेक्शन ऑफ वर्कशीट हो गई. The intersection of rows and columns is known as, very easy, no, it is called cell. Number of worksheet you can have in Excel file. Number of worksheet, it has not asked about rows and columns, it has asked about worksheet, that it's 255. Okay, 255. Now the number of rows in a single worksheet, it is talking about the rows. So rows is what? You can say number of rows 16384 or 1,48,576 or 1,84,756. This one is wrong. Columns are 16384 and rows are 1,48,576. Okay. Always remember, rows are 1,48,576 and columns are 16,384. The cell that has dark border around is called, everyone knows, active cell. Selected group of cells is called range. ठीक है, selected group of cells होती हैं. It gives the cell reference using the combination of column and row heading. कौन देता है? फॉर्मूला बार देता है, सम बॉक्स देता है या नेम बॉक्स देता है? तो फॉर्मूला बार में तो आपका डेटा एंटर होता है, फॉर्मूला एंटर वो शो होता है. सम बॉक्स में शो नहीं होगा, आपका नेम बॉक्स होता है जो साइड में A3 लिखा रहता है, जस्ट लाइक दिस A3, and after that you get the formula bar. Okay. Formula bar. Shortcut key to save a workbook, very easy. Control L. Shift plus F11 किस लिए यूज होता है हमारा? शीट इंसर्ट करने के लिए. ओके. So this is your MCQ. Once again, first one is your Excel, second one is your worksheet, third one is your cell, fourth 255, fifth 1,48,576, then active cell, range, name box, and last control S. So next we come to the fill in the blanks. Okay. Microsoft Excel is a powerful what? Spreadsheet program. Spreadsheet program. The data organized in which? Rows and columns. Rows and columns. COLU. Okay, it is not O. This is U. I'm writing once again. An alternative method of selecting a cell in a worksheet is using the arrow keys. Okay, we can use arrow key. Okay, to revert the changes means वापस लाना है, तो you can cancel them using the which feature? You know, undo feature. Control Z. When a column is inserted, it gets inserted to the where? Left. और रो जब होता है तो वो किधर होता है? Above. ये सब चीज़ें याद रखिएगा, एग्ज़ाम में बहुत मदद करेंगे आपको, अदरवाइज़ आपके मार्क्स लूज़ हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. Left. And last selected group of cell is called range. Okay, so spreadsheet, rows and columns, arrow key, undo feature, left and range. This is all your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fill in the blanks. Now coming to the question answers. Okay, so let's do this question answers. So first question, write a short note on Microsoft Excel. Okay, so we will write a short note on MX Excel. Okay, this is chapter number 6. Introduction to MS Excel. Okay, now answer number 1. So just write short note on this. So what we will write? Microsoft Excel is a powerful program or spreadsheet program that allows us to organize data, complete calculations, represent data in graphs, and develop reports. Excel allows us to organize data in rows and columns. These rows and columns are collectively called a worksheet. This is your first answer. Okay, clear? Now second question is differentiate between moving and copying. So you write moving, in moving what you will write? Moving data allows us to reorganize data in our worksheet when we move data, the data disappears from its original position. Okay. So this is your moving. Okay. Then copying. So copying data allows us to repeat data in our worksheet, okay, without have, or you can say without having type the data. When we copy data, the data appears in both the original and the new location. ये दोनों जगह दिखता है, लेकिन जब मूव कराते हैं तो एक जगह से हट जाता है जहाँ पे प्रीवियस था. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट थर्ड आंसर इज योर. हाउ विल यू आइडेंटिफाई एन एक्टिव सेल? तो एक्टिव सेल हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं? वेरी इजी. व्हाट विल राइट? एडजस्टिंग the width of the columns on a worksheet accommodates the data properly. Okay. This is especially useful if data displayed in the cells is too broad to be completely viewed. Within the standard column width. Now the next para you can write adjusting the height of the rows in a worksheet has many uses, and it also enhances the look of our worksheet. Okay. Now next, fourth, Where do you enter and edit formulas on your worksheet data? Okay, so where do you enter and edit formulas on your, so this can have 5 ways. First, okay, ribbon. So in ribbon, it displays groups of related commands in tabs. Okay, commands in tabs, and each tab offers shortcut buttons to common task. Okay, this one. Now second one is your worksheet. Excel allows us to organize, okay, actually I have read the wrong question. It was define the following. Fourth one, define the following. So this is the answer of the fourth one. Okay, so worksheet, Excel allows us to organize data in rows, okay, and columns columns. These rows and columns are collectively called a worksheet. Next, third is your active cell. Active cell, so you know about the active cell, okay, so we can just write about the scroll bar. Okay, scroll bar. Okay, a worksheet windows allow sheet window allows us to view the portion of the worksheet displayed on the screen below the worksheet window, as well as to its right are scroll bars. Okay, comma, scroll arrows and scroll boxes which can be used to move the window window around to view different parts of the active worksheet. Okay, so this is about the worksheet. Then scroll bar, ribbon. Now grid lines and cell references. Okay, these two are left, and also the short answer. Okay, so, and with the application based question we will do in the next class, and hope we will perform the activity also. So till then, have a nice day. Okay, thank you all of you.